So what is going on, guys? As you can tell, it is super early out right now. It's probably about 5:30. Rob had left to watch the GTI, but we have show and shine today for Bugorama. So I gotta kind of straighten up the jet a little bit. I'll clean up most of it when I get there, but basically you gotta get there really early because there's already people that came out of town last night that are camping at the drag strip. So we want to get there early enough so where we have a decent spot to park our car, and hopefully we're not parked way out in the grass somewhere. So I'm gonna load up the Jetta, get some of my quick detail, all that stuff, and we'll be on our way. So after about 80 hours of trying to figure out what's wrong with my car, the car will not air up. The pressures aren't kicking on like they should, and it's not getting enough pressure. We think it's something with the valve body, maybe it got moisture. I don't know. So we were able to get it aired up by putting the jack in the car and airing it up that way, so I didn't have to feed so much pressure. But I'm still trying to get stuff to click over, and it's not wanting to work. So we're gonna send it. I'm gonna take it there. Probably not be able to air it out until we fix the valve body. And yeah, so good start to a late day. Alright guys, so as you can tell by listening to me, we made it. Car's in the show. It started airing up after we left the gas station. Everything worked fine, so I don't know what's up with that. But now we're walking to the front gate to meet Kelly and Caden. Alright, so we've been here for 4 million hours. The Jetta's won all 25 awards. Just kidding.
I'm taking a picture of my new lip.
Oh, moving up, huh?
Yeah, it's a good thing I got a lip on it.
I like the license plate. We need to take a picture of it so we can steal it later.
Yep.
So now Kelly's gonna make me go look at shirts that I don't want to buy because I don't want to spend money. So we're gonna go look at them, and then I'll show you guys around the show a little bit. And Caden is not. So here we are, broken down on the side of the road. Just left Bugorama. Car was making a weird noise before we left. Thought it was the pulley starting to go out, or the belt. And as you guys can see, there is no pulley left. Well, there kinda is. There's the casing. So, sweet. Good stuff. Now I gotta wait for Rob. Drive 8 million miles away. Let's get one and put it in. Wrap the belt up and hope to God I have cord. Alright guys, so we're home finally. Rob was able to go home, grab another tensioner and a belt from our plethora of parts, slapped it on, and we drove her home. So I'm gonna order new of both because those are technically Rob's, so that he has those. So I'll order a new tensioner, new belt. And then I'm going to do the timing belt on this Miata here next weekend for my dad.
put the Jetta in the garage, and we're gonna start working on the Golf and the truck, so that Kelly can have her truck. She can be happy, because I've kind of been putting other things ahead of that, and not really right for me to do that. So I'm gonna do that. Get the Golf at least drivable before we dive too much into the project. That way, if I have to, I can drive that, and I can actually rip the Jetta apart and take my time with it and start cleaning some things up. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely a long, eventful day. But those guys are gonna eat sushi. I'm gonna eat pizza because I think sushi is gross, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.